Tamil Nadu State Board Mathematics Unit 1 Relations and Functions Part 14T Tamil and English Version Composition of Functions Concepts சார்புகளின் சேர்ப்பு அதன் கோட்பாடுகள் presented by superfast learners. Composition of function. What could be done with two or more functions? If we add, subtract, multiply or divide, we will get a new function. If we input one function as argument to another, it is called composition of function. In functions, argument is single element x. In composition of functions, argument is function value or another function such as 2x plus 1, 1 minus x square and so on. In composition of function, two or more functions involved denoted as FOG, which is equal to f of g of x. It can be for more than two functions like FOGOH or f of g of h of x. Composition of function is associative, that is FOGOH equal to FOGOH. In composition of two functions f and g or FOG or f of g of x, x is mapped to g, then the resulting g of x is mapped to f. For g, x is the argument and for f, g of x is the argument. In case of composition of two functions, the pre-image is first function's value. Images, as in normal cases, are the function values. Image equal to function value, that is f of x or g of x. Definition. Let f a to b and g b to c be two functions. Then the composition of f and g denoted by GOF is defined as the function GOF of x equal to g of f of x for all x belonging to a. Composition of two or more functions is another function which has domain, codomain and range. It is like a normal function only. Composition of function, how it will appear? It will be a function represented as an expression in x as a polynomial. Example, 2x plus 1 whole square minus 1. This is composition of x square minus 1 and 2x plus 1. That is, x square minus 1 is the outermost function. 2x plus 1 is the inner function. Now 2x plus 1 is replacing x in this. So we get this. It can be expressed as a set of ordered pairs like 1, a, 2, b, 3, c. These are set of ordered pairs of GOF, where f is set of ordered pairs 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, and g another set of ordered pairs 2, a, 3, b, 4, c. Now let us evaluate g of f of 1. Therefore, first f of 1, 2. 2 is input to g, that is a. Therefore, 1, a. Then GOF of 2. First f of 2, 3. 3 input to g, that is equal to b. Therefore, 2, b. Similarly, 3, c. In composition of function, use of brackets. FOG, f of g of x. This is outermost bracket open and close. These two brackets are innermost brackets. Innermost brackets associated with function g, outermost brackets associated with function f. In composition of three functions, f of g of h of x, three sets of brackets open and close. At closing part, all three brackets will appear together. X is the placeholder in composition of functions. In f of g of x or FOG, in f of x, x is replaced by g of x and x is a placeholder. In FOGOH, h of x replaces x in g of x, that is, g of x becomes g of h of x or simply g of h. This replaces x in f of x. So f of x becomes f of g of x or simply f of g. Overall, we evaluated f of g of h of x. Composition of functions, tabular form. This is same as set of ordered pairs. Given h of x equal to fog, find the value of h of 2, h of 3 and h of 4 from the table below. So, to find h of x, we need to evaluate g of x, f of x. Then, first to evaluate h of 2, that is fog of 2 is to be evaluated. First g of 2. G of 2 is from here. G of 2 is 4. 4 is input to f. F of 4 is 4. Therefore, h of 2 is 4, 4 to 4. H of 2 is therefore 4. Then h of 3 will be starting from x equal to 3 here. G of 3, 3. This is input to f. F of 3, 1. Therefore, h of 3 will be 1. Then h of 4 will be 4 to g, it becomes 1. 1 to f, it becomes 2. H of 4 is 2. Now h of x is filled in the table. Composition of functions. Example 1.20. If f of x equal to 2x plus 1 and g of x equal to x square minus 2, find fog and gof. Fog equal to f of g of x. Therefore, f of x square minus 2. This expression replaces x in this. Equal to 2x square minus 4 plus 1 equal to 2x square minus 3. Coming to GOF, G of f of x, that is G of 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1 replaces x in this, equal to therefore 2x plus 1 whole square minus 2 equal to 4x square plus 4x plus 1 minus 2 equal to 4x square plus 4x minus 1. Now we can see FOG and GOF are different, not equal. Example 1.21. Represent the function f of x equal to square root of 2x square minus 5x plus 3 as a composition of two suitable functions. Solution. Let f1 equal to square root of x and f2 equal to 2x square minus 5x plus 3. Then f of x equal to square root of 2x square minus 5x plus 3 can be written as f1 o f2 because f1 o f2 will be f1 of f2 of x equal to f1 of f2 is this 2x square minus 5x plus 3. Now this becomes equal to square root of 2x square minus 5x plus 3. Hence we expressed this as a composition of root of x and 2x square minus 5x plus 3, taking this as the outer function or second evaluated function. This one inner function or the first evaluated function, that is f1 o f2. Example 1.22. F of x equal to 3x minus 2, g of x equal to 2x plus k. If fog equal to gof, find the value of k. Fog equal to f of g of x. F of 2x plus k equal to 3 into 2x plus k minus 2 equal to 6x plus 3k minus 2. Next, GOF equal to g of f of x equal to g of 3x minus 2 equal to 2 into 3x minus 2 plus k equal to 6x minus 4 plus k. These two are equal. Therefore, equating these two, here 6x will be cancelled out. 3k minus 2 equal to minus 4 plus k. Bring k to the LHS, minus 2 to the RHS. Therefore, 3k minus k equal to minus 4 plus 2. 2k equal to minus 2. Therefore, k equal to minus 1. Example 1.23. Find k if FO f of k equal to 5, where f of k is equal to 2k minus 1. Like f of x, they have given f of k equal to 2k minus 1. Then they have given FO f of k is 5. FO f of k is given as 5. Therefore, f of 2k minus 1 equal to 5. Again, 2 into 2k minus 1 minus 1 equal to 5. 4k minus 2 minus 1 equal to 5. 4k minus 3 equal to 5. 4k equal to 8. K equal to 2. The composition GOF of x exists only when range of f is a subset of domain of G. This is the first evaluated function or innermost function. Its range should be subset of domain of G. Then only elements in range of f will become arguments to G. Additional example. If f equal to set of ordered pairs 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 4, 4, 6 and G equal to 1, 5, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 1, 5, 3, 6, 2, then find GOF. F வந்து ordered pairs இதெல்லாம் சொல்லியிருக்கு. G வந்து 1, 5, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 1, 5, 3, 6, 2ங்கிற set of ordered pairs. Then find GOF னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. GOF of 1 equal to G of f of 1 equal to f of 1 3. Therefore, G of 3. G of 3 is now 4. Therefore, 1, 4 is one element of GOF. Find GOF of 2. Then first f of 2 1. 1 input to G. Therefore, GOF of 2 is 5. Find all possible elements of GOF yourself. Composition of three functions. 3 ஃபங்க்ஷனோட காம்போசிஷன் FGH இந்த 3 ஃபங்க்ஷன்ஸையும் வச்சு ஒரு காம்போசிஷன் FOGOHன்னு டிஃபைன் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. இதில் இன்னர்மோஸ்ட் ஃபங்க்ஷன் H, அடுத்த அவுட்டர் ஃபங்க்ஷன் G, அதுக்கப்புறம் லாஸ்ட் எவாலுவேட்டட் ஃபங்க்ஷன் F. Composition of three functions is always associative. That is FOGOH equal to FOGOH. காம்போசிஷன் ஆஃப் த்ரீ ஃபங்க்ஷன் வந்து அசோசியேட்டிவ்னு சொல்கிறோம். அதாவது GOH எவாலுவேட் பண்ணிவிட்டு இதை எஃப்க்கு இன்புட்டாக கொடுக்கறதும் ஒன்று தான், FOG எவாலுவேட் பண்ணிவிட்டு அதுக்கு ஹெச்சை இன்புட்டாக கொடுக்கறதும் ஒன்று தான். அதாவது லாஸ்ட் டூ ஃபங்க்ஷன் எவாலுவேட் பண்ணி ஃபஸ்ட் ஃபங்க்ஷனுக்கு இன்புட்டாக கொடுத்தாலும் ஃபஸ்ட்டு டூ ஃபங்க்ஷன்ஸ் எவாலுவேட் பண்ணி லாஸ்ட் ஃபங்க்ஷனை அதுக்கு இன்புட்டாக கொடுத்தாலும் ஒரே ரிசல்ட் தான் வரும். காம்போசிஷன் ஆஃப் லாஸ்ட் டூ ஃபங்க்ஷன்ஸ் இவாலுவேட்டட் ஹியர். காம்போசிஷன் ஆஃப் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டூ ஃபங்க்ஷன்ஸ் இவாலுவேட்டட் ஹியர். தென் again composition is made. Here composition is made. Both will be equal. Example 1.24. f of x கொடுத்துட்டாங்க 2x plus 3. g of x 1 minus 2x. h of x வந்து 3x. இப்போ FOGOH equal to FOGOHன்னு ப்ரூவ் பண்ண சொல்கிறாங்க. FOGOHல ஃபர்ஸ்ட் f of g of h of x. லாஸ்ட் டூ ஃபங்க்ஷனோட காம்போசிஷனை ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணுவோம். தட் இஸ் f of g of 3x. That is f of 1 minus 2 into 3x. That is equal to f of 1 minus 6x. Now 1 minus 6x will replace x in f of x equal to 2 into 1 minus 6x plus 3 equal to 2 minus 12x plus 3 equal to 5 minus 12x. Now coming to RHS. First composition of first two functions evaluated. FOGOH equal to f of g of x OH equal to f of 1 minus 2x OH equal to 2 into 1 minus 2x plus 3 OH. X replaced by 1 minus 2x equal to 2 minus 4x plus 3 OH equal to 5 minus 4x O 3x equal to 5 minus 4 into 3x. That is 3x replacing x in the first function. Therefore, this is equal to 5 minus 4 into 3x equal to 5 minus 12x. Earlier also we got same 5 minus 12x. Hence, FOGOH equal to FOGOH proved. Example 1.25. f of g of x equal to g of f of x. and given f of x equal to 3x plus 1 and g of x equal to x plus 3. Find x. f of x வந்து 3x plus 1, g of x x plus 3. அதுக்கப்புறம் f g gயும் g f fம் ஈக்குவல்னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கிற போது வாட் இஸ் எக்ஸ்னு ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ண சொல்கிறாங்க. f g g ஈக்குவல் டு fog g of x equal to fog of x plus 3. Then again in x plus 3 will replace. Therefore fo into x plus 3 plus 3. Just x replaced by x plus 3 equal to fo x plus 6. Now this x plus 6 will replace x in the left side function f equal to 3 into x plus 6 plus 1. Here x replaced by x plus 6. Therefore this becomes equal to 3x plus 18 plus 1 equal to 3x plus 19. Now coming to g of f of x. go f of x equal to go f of x is 3x plus 1 equal to go f of, in 3x plus 1 x will be replaced by 3x plus 1. Therefore this is equal to go 3 into 3x plus 1 plus 1 equal to g of 9x plus 3 plus 1 equal to g of 9x plus 4. Now 9x plus 4 will replace x in g of x. Therefore that is equal to 9x plus 4 plus 3 equal to 9x plus 7. These two are given as equal. Therefore equating them, 3x plus 19 equal to 9x plus 7. Therefore 12 equal to 6x or x equal to 2. Commutative and associative properties of compositions. Compositions of functions are always associative. That is for three functions fo goh equal to fo of goh equal to fog oh. That is you can evaluate first two functions and then compose with the third function, or you can evaluate last two functions and compose with first. Compositions of functions are generally not commutative. That is fog not equal to gof. There may be some exceptions. Progress check. Is constant function a linear function? Yes. ஏன்னா constant function curve ஒரு straight line இருக்கும். Is quadratic function a one-to-one function? Quadratic function one-to-one function கிடையாது. No. ஏன்னா 2x values plus x and minus x will have the same function value for the function f of x equal to x square. So f of x equal to x square க்கு plus x minus x ரெண்டுக்கும் சேம் ஃபங்க்ஷன் வேல்யூ இருக்கும். இந்த மாதிரி குவாட்ரேட்டிக் ஃபங்க்ஷனோட எக்ஸ்பிரஷனுக்கு தகுந்த மாதிரி ரெண்டு வேல்யூஸ்க்கு வந்து சேம் ஃபங்க்ஷன் இருக்கும். அது வந்து plus x minus xன்னு எல்லாத்துலேயும் இருக்காது. There may be like 1 and 3 will have same function value, 3 and 5 will have same function value, அந்த மாதிரி வரும். Anyway, two different x values will have the same function value. That means many to one, not one to one function. 3. Is cubic function a one to one function? Cubic function one to one function ஆனு கேட்குறாங்க. Yes. Horizontal line test யூஸ் பண்ணோம்னா cubic function கர்வில் அந்த horizontal line ஒரு பாயிண்ட்ல தான் intersect பண்ணும். Therefore that is one to one function. 4. Is reciprocal function a bijection? Reciprocal function வந்து bijection ஆ? No. For x equal to 0 it is undefined. x equal to 0 மட்டும் ஒதுக்கி வச்சோம்னா அது வந்து bijection ஆ இருக்கும். ஏன்னா f of x equal to 1 by x. For x in R f of x க்கு ஒரு வேல்யூ கிடைக்கும். 0 மட்டும் தர முடியாது. அதுவே 0 மட்டும் எக்ஸ்க்ளூட் பண்ணிட்டோம்னா அது bijection ஆ இருக்கும். 5. f from a to b is a constant function. Then the range of f will have 0 1 elements. fங்கிறது a to b ஒரு கான்ஸ்டன்ட் ஃபங்க்ஷன்னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. கான்ஸ்டன்ட் ஃபங்க்ஷன்னா ரேஞ்ச் will have only one element. So range of f will have only one element. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe and get more presentations.